You've just bought a brand new dress and you love it with all your heart. And then, while innocently eating your spaghetti, you fall victim to a mean prank. And then you'll do anything to fix it. For example,
no more of that! Here, let me take that for you. What did you do? I sent that to my washing machine.
what's that?
I'm glad you asked.
Alva J. Fisher invented the washing machine to reduce your manual labor. Simply insert your clothes, crank the wheel, and voila!
Here you go.
It's just like new!
With the washing machine, you can wash all your family's clothes without the hassle. Call 1-800-555-WASH and get yours today for only $19.99. This is a special offer, must be 18 or older to order.
Stop moving.
I stepped on a pebble.
McCall, I think you were in that! 2, 3, go. McCall, throw it!